Hello guys, welcome to the Digital Marketing Tips and Tricks playlist on Search Engine Stream by Anubhav Garg. Are you a blogger or planning to start your very own new blogging platform? Then like all other bloggers, you will also face issues in finding trend-based topics in order to publish the latest content on your blogging site, for which you may also visit to multiple news channels and news applications through which you can find out what's latest in the news so that you can just republish it on your blog. Honestly, this is the wrong practice that every new blogger pick in order to find the best and trend based topics for their blogging site. And what happens at the end, they left blogging because they just don't see the number of traffic they were expecting for and the rankings they were looking for. In order to avoid this situation, what you need to do is you need to follow this guide that I'm going to share in this video with you today so that you can become a successful blogger. And for that, there is a single tool which I will be sharing in this video, and I will be sharing a complete screenshots on how you can utilize that tool to its maximum level. Without waiting for longer, let's see how you can do that. So guys, but you just need to open the Google Trends. I know most of you must be not aware of that website, but Google offers a single platform so that you can find what's latest happening in the world, what topics you should choose or you should pick up for your blogging site so that you can attract maximum number of audience and the rankings, because Google always rank to the websites that are updating their content on regular basis. Apart from that, if you are publishing your content in a very frequent manner, you are picking up the latest news that just published, let's say 5 minutes ago or 10 minutes ago, then you can definitely achieve the rankings and you will easily get the initial clicks from the Google search itself. So if we just scroll down to in Google Trends, you will find a section where you will see recently trending, right? So this is the area where you can find all the trend based topics or the news that just got published, let's say 5 minutes ago or 3 minutes ago or 10 minutes ago, which you should definitely pick up if you want to update your website with the latest content in order to get or attract the maximum number of traffic. Over here, what you need to do is just go to more trending search. You can find that option over here. Now here you will see daily search trends, real time search trends, and the country wise search trends. I mean the country selection that you can choose from here. By default it will come United States, but I have chosen India over here so that I can show you what's latest happening in India in the past 24 hours or what's latest that is happening. Washington Sundar, the latest news which just got published 4 hours ago, got published on indiatoday.in. This is something in trend because this is the thing which is currently happening or recently happened. You see, for the Washington Sundar, for the record that he just made, there are 5 lakh searches already, right? And this news just got published into 4 hours back. So this is something really in trend and you should definitely pick it up. Now the Sonu Sood is also in trend with 20k searches, and this news just got published 27 minutes ago. People love to read, right? I mean these kind of stuff, these kind of posts get viral on social media, on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram, right? LinkedIn is not a platform for all this stuff, but Twitter, Facebook, Instagram you can use to the ultimate level if you want to generate traffic. If you move forward, you will see these content which just got updated 3 hours ago and 13 hours ago, 1 hour ago. If we talk about the real-time search trends, so it shows the search trends of the past 24 hours only. Now here you can see, I'm really not sure about what is lottery and what is Kerala related to each other. Maybe there is some lottery which is happening in Kerala and people are just searching for it. So that's why it came into trend. But there is another news in the Indian Railway Finance Corporation, Big Bash League, Melbourne Stars. This is all something in trend and you should pick up these topics or such keywords that are appearing over here so that you can generate good rankings as well as good number of traffic for your blogging platform. This actually saves a lot of time in visiting multiple websites and seeing the time of their news publication and type of news they published on. There are multiple countries that you can target from here. We will be having all the trending topics past 24 hours from the United States. If you're targeting for the USA based audience, then you can just pick up the topics from here. Yes, apart from that, in the real-time search trends, you will also find a section where you can select the categories for news from business, entertainment, health, science, tech, sports and top stories. Now you have a list of all the trend based keywords and topics that you can pick up for your blogging platform within seconds. And all the things that you can see over here, right? You can just pick up whatever you want without wasting your time in googling and researching for the news articles for what's latest they are publishing. You can just find everything, each and everything over here, and you can just pick that topic for your blogging platform. But yes, if you are doing blogging, then make sure social media is the key to attract your audience. So whatever you're publishing, publish it on your blogging platform with good graphics, or you can even make a new graphic so that you can present that content news into the graphical format as well. I mean, this is something that which could just go viral into social media and Facebook most probably, because it says Sonu Sood अभिनेता से दर्जी बने सोनू सूद, right? कपड़े मिलते हुए viral हुआ video, and you can see he's actually staging something over here. So if you are blogging, make sure not to waste your time in googling for the latest news and visiting multiple sites and channels to see what they are publishing, so that you can just republish their stuff on your platform. The best way is pick up the trend, pick what latest in search, pick what users are actually searching and reading for. Then you will definitely get lot of traffic, lot of engagement, and Google will automatically bring your website into the first page on that particular topic. So give it a try and share your feedback on the comment section below on how you find this strategy useful for you or not. And if you have any further question or queries, or if you want any kind of suggestion for a blogging related matter over your website, you can just simply comment down below. So if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, just subscribe it now, and also click the bell notification icon so that you can instantly get the notification for the latest video that I launch. So thank you so much for watching and have a nice day.